Hey guys, and welcome back to The Growing Gardener. I am Cindy and I just got off at work and I am about to engage in my favorite hobby right now. So I have some work to do in my container garden. I'm on my way to Home Depot to pick up compost. What else? There's a couple of things that I need. In addition, there's a couple of different little projects that I have to do in the garden, one of which is to actually plant my spinach for the second time. So we're going to go ahead on and we're going to see what deals we can come across. So let's go. Okay, guys. So listen, you do not know how tempted I am to buy some of these seedlings. I'm not going to do it though. One, I would if it was non-GMO, but they don't even have that said up there, so I'm not going to get it. But I'm so frustrated because even though I had a couple of my lettuce plants to come up, I think I have about 3 or 4 of them, but I tried to sow some directly and they never came up. Then something has been eating my collard greens and I don't know if they're beyond help or not. If it wasn't for shame, I would absolutely purchase these, but I have no assurances that it is not just growth. I know some people don't care, but that's the whole point of me gardening is to try to produce something with less chemicals and so forth. Hi, I'm well. How are you? Good. So let's go. Oh, I'm gonna need something. I think I would use a little cart today. Yeah, one of these. Easy to maneuver. All right, so guys, do you record like when going in stores and stuff? And do you feel like shame? I feel like people are looking at me. Oh, anywho, let's go and find our black cow manure. It's down here. I see it. I feel like I need some soil too, but I hate that soil. They used to have some like or what they call organic or something. I don't know. But anyway, I do not like that topsoil because it's mostly sticks. And matter of fact, I found a stick about this size. I can't believe people actually sell you stuff like that. Huh. Okay, so I've looked all the way down the row and they don't have the other like soil or topsoil that I was wanting to get. So I'm gonna just hold off since I have some of that topsoil still left. I may have to end up coming back, but who cares? All right, so I also wanted to look for some more wide mouth containers to grow my ginger. You guys know I have some at the house now. It is my pride and joy. It took me so long to root that. I've gotten better at it, and so I'll tell you my secret later. But I didn't want to risk bringing it in the house, and there was some things that I could have done, but again, being a new gardener, it will be new. And I don't want to risk infecting my house again because I had an infestation of gnats this summer because of what I did. And I don't want to have to go through that again. So um, I think I'm going to let them die out and just start anew so that I can be sure that um, I'm not, oh, why are they blocking me off? Yeah, they are. I think I have to go around the other side. All right, so I'm gonna just start anew and sprout some more, and so that I can ensure that I don't have any bugs or anything in it. That is best for me. So yeah, they're outside now. I'm so afraid to bring them in my house because I just don't want the net. I feel like if I leave it long enough, let's leave this here. Hello. How you doing today? I'm well. How are you? I feel like if I leave it long enough, the bugs and stuff probably would die because it's getting colder. But to the same point, it is a warm weather plant. So it would probably die too. So we're just gonna get some more. We're just gonna start over, I should say. All right, and let's see. So I like to grow them in these clay pots because, again, I told you guys I don't like to use any plastic. I mean, you can buy food grade stuff, but I didn't want to invest the money. This is like 16 bucks. It's cute enough though, right? I already have one. I had to replant what I did have because I had a lot of little pieces and they all started growing. And I'm like, wow. So I have to get a new one. I didn't want to necessarily spend the money, but I am going to do that. Now, I also probably could do with these little plates. They are expensive too, though. Let's see. I wonder if that's too small. That is definitely too small. So this one was probably about the right size. Man, who pays $8 for a plate? Or was that 4? I feel like this is 8. Perfecto. Yeah, that is gonna work. Oh, and if you guys don't know, it is important, like if you're gonna do ginger, you want a wide mouth because ginger doesn't grow deep, it grows horizontal. That's the reason why you would want a wide mouth container. Let's see what else we can get into while we're here. Y'all, can you believe somebody just stole my cart? Just picked up my compost and threw it right on another little pallet and just walked off with my cart. And here I was trying to be nice. I left it because the man was in front of me. So now I'm going back out here to get another one, feeling embarrassed again with the cashier looking at me. All right. So some of the crew offered to come and do this, but they were working. I was like, nope, I can do it myself. All right. Quick question for you. You guys don't have any straw that's smaller than that, do you?
The
No.
only other ones we would have would be like big squares.
Oh. Where are they located? Are they on another side?
Yeah, they would basically be outside by the garden
Okay.
registers,
Okay.
but outside the other gate.
Okay. So that is entirely too much product, one, and I do not want to put that much money into it. So I might have to go and find me some leaves from someone. Excuse me. It is embarrassing. I hope I get used to this.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
Judy.
Okay, so I need a couple of steaks to help keep my mesh bag off of my plants. This trip has been almost an epic fail because of myself and being embarrassed to film while I'm at the store. I'm trying to figure out how much of this am I gonna keep and not edit out. Okay, so that's what we have so far. All right, so there's not too much more in here that I think I'm gonna get. I have a feeling I need to go ahead on and get that topsoil, even though I don't want to buy it. I feel like I'm gonna be back here in another day buying it. But okay,